You'll never believe the Icelandic word for midwife. Because Icelandic is not just a direct translation from English, it's built kind of like Legos.
Yep.
But don't worry, today I'm not going to be talking about the lessons. I'm going to hand it over to the expert of Icelandic, Óskar. Óskar, velkomin.
Takk fyrir.
Okay, í dag what is it? What is it?
Mánudagur, it's Monday, og við ætlum að tala íslensku.
We are going to speak Icelandic. We are going to walk around and take you in the mall, and we are going to show you some Icelandic words. We're going to see how Icelandic language is much of an old, like, Norse language, more of like a cultural experience.
It's about more than just communicating information.
Icelanders are extremely proud of their language. We need to embrace this beautiful sounding language and all the ways that it's built. I just think it's so unique in the way that you guys say words, but I don't want to ruin the fun. I want to get going and teach them the Icelandic words.
Vindum okkur í þetta. Vindum okkur í þetta. Vindum okkur í þetta.
We are going to do that.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Speaking of Legos, wow. Okay, if we're gonna build an Icelandic word for airplane, how would we do that?
We would say flugvél.
You mean like flying machine?
Exactly right, Jeannie. Well, to bring it back to Icelandic language and words, they're usually like Legos. You sort of piece together things and make a new thing. So here we have airplane, flugvél, flying machine. And so a lot of times it's very intuitive.
Right. Jonah.
Svona. Takk fyrir. Hvað þetta? What's this?
Þetta Tölva.
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 Yep. Okay. Tack.
And if we're going back to the Lego analogy, how do we piece together that word? How did they come up with that word? Any ideas?
Okay. I didn't know that this was going to be a quiz, so now I'm feeling quite nervous. Numbers.
Numbers. There you go. There you go. Yeah. So it's a composite of two things. Tölur for numbers, the word for numbers, and völva, which is an older Icelandic word meaning prophetess or seeress, kind of like a witch.
Wow. A numbers witch.
A numbers prophetess.
Yeah. Okay, I definitely would have had no idea on that. I just kind of accepted that word as what it was.
Yeah.
I didn't break it down like a Lego in my brain when I learned it.
Sure, and to be honest, I didn't for the longest time, but this is sort of one of the fascinating things about the Icelandic language. When you start to dive into them, there are all these layers, all these meanings.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, takk fyrir hjálpina í dag. Wow.
Have you heard this word, jólabókaflóð?
I have. It's a beautiful word and one of my favorite times of year. So, but please do the honors.
Well, how much fun is it to say? Have you tried it?
Super fun. Jólabókaflóð.
Jólabókaflóð?
It's one of the few words that doesn't feel super difficult for me to pronounce. So
okay.
That's a win.
Frábært.
Okay.
Yeah. And what does that entail to you? What does it mean to you?
Jóla,
Yeah.
meaning Christmas.
Yeah.
Bóka, meaning book. And flóð, meaning flood.
Yeah. Frábært. Very good.
Christmas book flood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. But what does it mean to you?
Yeah, to me it means around Christmas time when a lot of Icelandic authors publish books.
Yeah.
So you'll see these displays around grocery stores, bookstores, obviously, to buy these books, and it's kind of like a Christmas, part of the Christmas tradition.
Exactly right. Yeah, exactly. And I think, interestingly, that it's in the food stores, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Exactly.
You wouldn't really see that at Trader Joe's around Christmas.
Correct. That's a really good point.
Yeah. But I guess, speaking to the high literacy rate and all that, yeah, reading books and the written word carries with it a big significance in Iceland. And so around Christmas, it's especially nice to cozy up with a book and a blanket and just get some good old-fashioned reading going.
Another beautiful example of, like I said, the piecing together of words. Okay, so here we are at Síminn.
So Jeannie, do you know how we say telephone in Icelandic?
Sími.
Sími. Sími. And that's where we get this síminn, the telephone.
The telephone.
Yeah, síminn.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is so logical. I mean, because sometimes it just is like that easy. It's the telephone.
Yeah.
And that's the word for all phone-related things, right?
Yes. Then you have farsími, mobile telephone, and you have snjallsími for smartphone.
Smartphone.
Yeah, snjallsími. But the word sími itself comes from an older word. It used to mean a thread or a piece of string. And so this is something that we adopted a long time ago for the word telephone. Instead of borrowing a word like telephone and kind of making it a little bit more Icelandic, we just used an Icelandic word, created something new.
Right. This is, again, what I think is one of the beautiful things about Icelandic is that you don't just borrow the words, right? You're really like, what is this thing like? How can we describe this thing in a word? And I think that's so amazing.
Exactly. Yeah. Nákvæmlega. Jeannie, so how do we say midwife in Icelandic?
Yeah, this is my favorite word. Light mother.
Ljósmóðir. That's right. Yeah, midwife in Icelandic is ljósmóðir, and this is one of these words that everybody, time and time again, you ask them, what's the most beautiful Icelandic word? They say ljósmóðir.
Yeah. Such a cool word. The only reason I know it is because of my pregnancy.
Right.
And the woman that helped you through the journey is like your light mother. Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, so you guys, we've done videos on this channel where I'm speaking Icelandic and trying to teach you these words, but here's the deal. I'm not the expert. Óskar is the expert. Don't learn from me, learn from him. If you want to take your Icelandic to the next level, or even just start and be able to order a coffee, that's exactly what the course is for.
Exactly right, yeah. And I'll be right there every step of the way, guiding you, helping you. I'm with you. We can do this together.
Yes, if you click the link in the description below, you'll get a VIP discount already attached. We'll see you inside the course.
I'll see you inside the course.
Thank you so much. Takk í dag.
Takk í dag, takk fyrir og bless bless.
Bless.